Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of T2 SMC Trader. So in this video, I'm going to explain Tuesday PM session price action. So as I told, every day is not for trading or every session is not for trading. This is a perfect example of that video, of that word. Please watch until the end. I believe that you will learn a lot from this video. So there will be some new information that is gonna help you a lot, okay? Make sure that you have given me the likes, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. So today is Tuesday. Tuesday is the manipulation day. You know, this is the Monday high. Market has taken the Monday high. After taking the Monday high, I told that I am expecting that market is going to fall at least until this bullish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. This is 15-minute chart for Nasdaq. Okay. So market can, you can see market perfectly came here, closed below this bullish fair value gap and reached until this relatively equal lows. So here it reached until that lows. It is the relatively equal lows which has made strongest around that area. So I have this strongest liquidity. Still I'm bearish. When market fall over there, before falling, this is the new day opening gap. This two blue line is my new day opening gap, and there was a bearish fair value gap. So let me mark that bearish fair value gap. Okay. So this was the bearish fair value gap. Price trade that bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. You will start to look for your sell setup from there. Your target will be to the top of this bullish fair value gap. When market fall here, then this is your highest up close body close candle. Look at this candle. Okay, so this is going to be your order block. Mark the order block around that area, because market can trade until this order block. So I'm going to mark that order block, and you can see perfectly market has traded that order block. Now it can fall. I'm at the last hour, so around 3:39. So I don't have any opportunity to trade right now, but still I will explain the price action from 1-minute chart now. Now I am in my 1-minute chart, and you can see around the PM session. This is that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. This is that new day opening gap. Okay, so market has traded that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. When it came here, am I inside the PM session? Absolutely. This is the PM session. So 1 PM, the PM session has started. When market went higher and reached until, first it came to this bullish fair value gap, then the rejection sent the price until the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. At the same time, over here you can see this is 1-minute last fair value gap. So let me mark the 1-minute last fair value gap, and let me change the color. Okay, so there is my 1-minute last fair value gap. Price reached until that 1-minute last fair value gap, then made a swing low. Look at this low. This low has traded that fair value gap. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure. Then market went higher, fall dramatically. Okay, that was a very nice fall. I got my market structure shift over here. Unfortunately, I didn't have any fair value gap over here. I was in front of my chart. I was just looking for a fair value gap around that area. There was no fair value gap. I was unable to push my button. Everything was perfect, but except the fair value gap. I don't have the fair value gap. I didn't push my button. What else do you see? It has actually traded the low of this daily fair value gap. Now, as I told you, this is the information. You should keep that in your mind. Daily fair value, not daily fair value gap. It is the new day opening gap. The new day opening gap is the strongest gap. So market didn't make a new fair value gap over there. Instead of that, market has used that new day opening gap low for fall. Look at that candle high. It tapped this new day opening gap low. Then how dramatically it fall. See how beautifully it fall over there. That's why it didn't make any bearish fair value gap. Either way, you don't need to participate in this price action, because you know every day is not for trading. How beautifully it worked with the lower portion of this fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then market has made this bullish order block. That is that bullish order block line. If you remember, this is that bullish order block line. What else do you have around that area? The low of that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So it has been rejected from the constant crossment. Now it is rejecting from the low of that bearish fair value gap. This is that bullish fair value gap which has been broken over here. I'm going to remove that bullish fair value gap from my chart. Okay. Now you still are bearish. Okay, this is your sell side liquidity. You know market is going for that sell side liquidity. Above that sell side liquidity, you have a perfect relatively equal lows from 1-minute chart. That is your relatively equal lows. You see that market went higher until that area. What else do you have over there from 1-minute chart? So from 1-minute chart, if you take a closer look, there is your 1 minute last fair value gap as well. Okay, so this is your 1 minute last fair value gap. When market reached until that area, perfectly traced to that order block and the 1 minute last fair value gap and the low of this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Was there any market structure shift, brother? Was there any market structure shift? Any market structure shift? You can say this low is valid for shifting market structure. Now look how it has been shifted. This is not even a swing low because you see this is a pure consolidation. Market structure shift is something like that. It should be very cool. Look, this is a low, swing low. Okay, then market went higher, then fall. Look at this low. This low is kind of a perfect swing low, which is valid for shifting market structure. Okay, let me show you another example if I can find another example. Okay, look over here, like something like this. It went lower, make a swing low. This is a swing low. Then it has been shifted. This is a market structure shift. Perfect. Now compare those with this. This is the part I just can't transfer to you guys to see the low, swing low for shifting market structure. This is not a swing low. Look at this consolidation area. This is all the sideways candle. It is a clean consolidation area. Okay, so you are forcing market to give you the market structure shift. Either way, after making this swing low, what market has done? Make another swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, then shifted. See how many times it has taken. So when it reached until that area, then there, if you force this was your market structure shift, though it was not valid. So in this whole PM session, I don't see any lower market structure shift for selling. Now you can say, brother, I had a very nice market structure shift toward the upper buy side, something like that. Okay, maybe this is your swing low, though it's not valid, but for the sake of this video, I am just getting that this is your market structure shift. This is your fair value gap. Price tapped to this fair value gap, went higher, and slowly it went higher. At the last, it went higher. Now, why you will take that buy? Do you have any buy side liquidity? No, you don't have. But brother, there is a order block. I know that market is going to trade that order block. No, it's not confirmed. Market don't need to trade that order block. It was overzealous. It reached until that order block. Because if you go to your 15-minute chart, let me go to our 15-minute chart one more time. There was a bearish fair value gap as well from 15-minute chart. Okay, so below that bearish fair value gap, I had another bearish fair value gap. So let me go to 1-minute chart one more time. It doesn't need to reach until that order block. It could simply fall from that bearish fair value gap. I had that bearish fair value gap on my chart. I was looking for a sell from there as well, but there was no market structure shift. Just look, when market came here, no market structure shift. Take a closer look. There was no market structure shift. It was pure consolidation. So this whole PM session, I had only one opportunity to take sell from there. That was a perfect thing. Okay, except the fair value gap. If there was a fair value gap, I would be able to take my sell from that fair value gap. I would be able to catch that run. But market didn't make the fair value gap. Instead of that, it has used that new day opening gap as the strongest fair value gap to fall. After that, whole price action there, no setup at all. No buy setup is valid as you don't have any buy side liquidity, and you know that market is going to fall. At the end of the day, market is going to fall for this sell side liquidity, for that sell side liquidity from 15-minute chart. So no buy setup is valid. So this PM session is tradeless. You can't push your button around that PM session or this type of PM session. If you can make that type of mindset, trust me, brother, you are going to be the perfect winner. Trust me, it's going to take that sell side liquidity. Okay, so yeah, that was the video for today's PM session. I believe that it will be a little insightful for you. If it is, then don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So until the next video, cheers guys.